Welcome to a point of view test drive video in the Ferrari GT4 Lusso. I'll quickly show you its boot because it's a feature of this car. Look at that, decent sized boot, although it does have a big ridge in it. And then here's the inside, looks lovely. Let me get in it and I'll start the engine up. So here we go. So you start it on the steering wheel. Now this car does this all the time. Sometimes just puts the stereo on even when you've had it off before. It's really annoying. So we've got the carbon fibre steering wheel here, which is a cost option of course. And let's just put it into drive, go for a spin, put the Manatino switch in sport because why not? So this is the V12 version of the GT4 Lusso. So you can get a V8 twin turbo, but this is where it's at, the V12. 6.3 litres, 609 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, and a top speed of over 207 miles an hour. So, V12, it just sounds awesome. In fact, if you really want to hear it, let's do this. Let's launch it. So, it's dead easy to do. Just pull up, put the car into first, hit the launch button. Says launch, left foot on the brake, right foot on the throttle, release brake. Look at the speedo climb. Whoa! That's over 100, that quickly. I love this car and I love the soundtrack. As you can see, the rev counter, it takes pride of place, so you can see what's going on. You've got the speedo in the right hand corner in the digital display, and it's a big font so you can see how fast you're going. Got this touchscreen here, which is all right to use. Yeah, it's okay, it's not the best system, but it's all right. And then the rest of the cabin looks beautiful. The only thing I don't like are these cheap feeling vents, but the rest of it is great, and it's super comfy. And I can put the car into comfort mode, and that slackens off the suspension, and then it's really good over bumps actually for such a high performance car. It's quite relaxing. Yeah, it's dead chilled. What a nice car. And then if I want, I can put it into sport, so I've got my fast throttle response and faster changes from the gearbox, and then I press this button for bumpy road mode, then I can have soft suspension, then sporty everything else, and it does feel sporty. Yes, this car weighs almost 2 tons. It's got lightning fast steering and it grips the road really well. Of course, you've got 4-wheel drive, which can send 20% of the engine's torque to the front wheels. However, it's only 4-wheel drive in the first 4 gears. After that, it's just rear-wheel drive. But you can do 120 miles an hour in fourth. So really, yeah, you don't need 4-wheel drive after 120 miles an hour. It is a good thing. I mean, it's such a well-rounded, brilliant car that does everything. You've of course got the back seats there, so you can carry people, and there's enough room for adults. And it's a sports car when you want it to be. It's not quite as sharp as a 488, that's mid-engine, this is front-engined, and it's a whole heap heavier, but it still goes really, really well. I mean, as good as you ever need a car like this to. And being a Ferrari, you know, it'll occasionally slide around a bit. You know, you can make it slide like that. It's silly if you want it to be, but what a beautiful, beautiful car. Shouldn't do that too much. I make myself feel sick. Anyway, if you want one of these, you do have to pay for it. It starts from £231,000, which is quite a lot. This one with options is £280,000. Now, if you're buying a normal car, check out Carwow. You can follow the link below the video or on the pop-out banner, and it'll take you straight there, so how much you can save on a new car. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this POV test drive in this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Ferrari. I love the shape of it as well. That shooting brake shape, I don't know when all northern, the shooting brake shape just looks great. There you go.